how to create a viral Instagram Reel video. Hey guys, let's get started. Creating a viral Instagram video takes creativity, originality, and a bit of luck. However, there are some tips that can increase your chances of creating a successful viral video. Here are some tips you can follow to create a viral Instagram Reels video. So the first and basic step is to understand the Instagram algorithm and learn about the best time to post, hashtags to use, and length of posts. So Instagram Reels are short form videos, so keep your content brief and to the point. Your video should be 15 to 30 seconds long. The recommended length for a video on Instagram is 7 seconds, with cuts every 7 seconds to maintain viewer attention. The next step is to use trending music. Music is a key element in creating a viral Reels video. Use popular and trending music that will catch people's attention and help your video stand out. Next step is to consider posting times. The 3 best times to post are from 1 a.m. to noon, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. and after 7 p.m. Consistency in posting is important for delayed exposure, so make sure to post in between these times. And the next step is use popular hashtags. Using popular hashtags can give your video get discovered by a wider audience. Use relevant hashtags to your videos and make sure to include popular ones to increase your chances of getting featured in the Explore page. And also, if you're using your hashtags before or in between your description, then don't do it. Try to put on your hashtags after the description. And last but not the least, share on other platforms. Share your Reels video on other social media platforms like TikTok, Twitter, or Facebook to increase your exposure and reach a wider audience. And remember, creating a viral Reels video takes time, effort, and a bit of luck. Keep experimenting and trying new things until you find the right formula for your audience. So that's it. So this was a video to help how to create a viral Instagram Reels video. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.